From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry throat and stuffy nose? The Humidifiers 8L Large Capacity Humidifier Top from Humidifiers is here to change that. This smart device is perfect for large rooms, like bedrooms, offices, or even yoga rooms, and can hold a whopping 8 liters of water. One of the best features of this humidifier is its automatic shutoff, which kicks in when the water runs out, so you don't have to worry about it drying out while you're sleeping. The silence operation is also a game changer, allowing you to sleep easily in a comfortable and quiet environment. The built-in humidity sensor automatically adjusts the mist level, so you can set it and forget it, and the result is a comfortably humid room that's perfect for relaxing. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. With its built-in essential oil tray, you can add your favorite aroma to your room, helping to relax your mind and unwind after a long day. Whether you're practicing yoga, reading a book, or just hanging out with friends and family, this humidifier creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Plus, the large capacity means you can go for hours without needing to refill it, making it perfect for long nights or busy days. Overall, the Humidifier's 8L Large Capacity Humidifier Top is a must-have for anyone looking to add some comfort and relaxation to their daily life, so why not give it a try and start sleeping better, breathing easier, and feeling more relaxed today? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.